What's up, Burnett School of Medicine at TCU? It's Match Day 2026. Let's rock.
Dr. Thomas Redmond was one of the most well-liked students during his time at the Burnett School of Medicine at TCU and was inducted into the Gold Humanism Honor Society.
Back in the day, it was a real honor to receive that award, and I feel it's still relevant now.
He's now in his second year of his general psychiatry residency at JPS Health Network in Fort Worth. Dr. Carter Clatterbuck built a strong relationship with her mentor, Dr. Jamie Irwin, as an undergrad at TCU, and continued their strong bond at Burnett.
I got to work with my mentor in the clinic and in the hospital setting. We got to train for a marathon together. Wouldn't trade that relationship for anything.
Dr. Clatterbuck is now an OB/GYN resident at UT Southwestern in Dallas.
The earlier that we could get into a clinical environment as medical students, I think that really benefits you coming out of the Burnett School of Medicine and walking into residency.
Dr. Sam Zayed's claim to fame was a research project centered on his foundation called Dana's Footprints, which gained national attention.
I'm glad I had the Burnett School of Medicine in my corner to help me honor my sister and make the kids look good in their shoes. Because we all know when you look good, you feel good, baby.
Today, he's living his dream as an emergency medicine resident at Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota.
Did I mention I'm at the best hospital in the world? Anyway, the Burnett School of Medicine helped build me to perform this way. And if they can do it for me, they can do it for you. Class of 2026, it's your turn to carry on the Frogs Docs tour. Let's keep this thing rocking, baby. Go Frogs, let's go! Let's go!
Before we get to Match Day, let's take a look at some of the top moments from the class of 2026. $1.8 million scholarship gift. An anonymous donor scholarship gift covered a semester of tuition for each student in the class of 2026. Maternal Health Accelerator. Burnett School of Medicine at TCU joined forces with UT Southwestern to address some of the highest morbidity rates in the country by forming the North Texas Maternal Health Accelerator. Arnold Hall Building Dedication. Court Ewing and Lauren Wee played key roles at the Arnold Hall Building Dedication. Court said the invocation, and Lauren was one of the speakers.
Becoming a first-generation physician is really, I feel like I owe it all to those who came before me.
During middle school, unfortunately, my grandmother had a stroke. Really made me wonder if I should pursue medicine because I wanted to not feel so vulnerable and not know what to do next.
She would be really happy, and so would my grandpa, because he never got the chance to go to medical school back in like the Cultural Revolution, and he passed on during my medical school time. So, yeah. I feel like it's just the beginning. I feel like I just got here, but then I feel like there's so much more that I'm like just looking forward to in terms of like caring for patients, actually getting to make decisions, really learn and, show people what my specialty is about. I'm going into vascular and interventional radiology. I think what I ended up falling in love with was working with a lot of different patients across the whole body, not just necessarily like one organ system. And there's just like so much new innovation coming in this field. And I just wanted to be part of that.
My sister and I are NICU babies. My mom had a very complicated pregnancy. She was admitted her 5th month of pregnancy and stayed in the hospital. The one thing she would always say is, if my daughters live, they will lead a life of soul and service. So I'm going into pediatrics. My own pediatrician had a really big impact on me in my life. I feel like her going that extra mile really clicked with me, and it made me realize that this is the whole preaching that my mom did of like, you're gonna lead a life of service. I realized that that's what she meant. I am very excited about Match Day. I'm really excited to share it with my twin sister. I think we have both worked so hard to get where we are. It's been especially difficult being in 2 separate cities at 2 different medical schools, but I think sharing this moment together for Match is just gonna be the most amazing feeling. We have a whole crew of people coming, our parents, our family, our friends, and so I think it'll just be an exciting time.
Yeah, it's been a roller coaster, but it went by so fast. Just been so fun being able to see the school grow while I'm also growing. it brings me like a sense of pride knowing that us students were able to help be a part of what the school is now. Honestly, the Empathetic Scholar curriculum that the school really pushes, it's something that I will always take with me. I found that even by just communicating with them consistently and in an empathetic way, and putting thought behind my interactions with patients, it really did make a difference in their care. I want to remember the kindness and thoughtfulness that I've learned here at our school. So Match Day, yes, I'm really excited. I can't wait, especially I'm glad I'll have like my family by my side to kind of be there with me in that moment. And it's just crazy that everything we've done in these past 4 years is kind of coming into this one moment. I'm super excited, both for myself and to just see where all my classmates end up, because I know how hard they've also been working. So yeah.
But I will say today is about you, and you're about to find out this may well be our best Match Day, not just in celebration, but in your results.
So let me start with this. I have seen the list. You guys killed it.
You're going to meet so many new people, take care of your patients, and I've seen the feedback about this class. You know how to communicate with patients, and that is what makes us special.
Does everyone have your envelope? We're ready for the countdown. We're ready?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your envelopes.
I'm very happy that me and my twin sister matched in the same city. I think I said this previously, but it was really hard not being in the same city, in the same place. I think we had grown up together, we went to college together, and that was our first year of separation. Even though she'll be at her program and I'll be at mine, I think kind of having those parallel lives together will still help because we're going through this journey together.
My dream is to be a doctor, but I can't because of different situations. But my twins, they're fulfilling my dream, and I'm so proud of them.
New Orleans! I'm going to New Orleans!
Oh, I'm very excited. I'm excited to be employed and just to, really have the next level of responsibility for patients. It's very scary. I hear that like the jump from med school into your first year of residency, it's a big jump. I'm super excited to kind of be a bigger part of the healthcare team, and to just be able to meet more patients every day and just do what I really came here to do. So I'm very excited.
Yale. That's one of her top choices. We are very thankful for TCU for the last 4 years. It went by so fast. She has grown so much. We can't wait to see, her receive all the training at Yale. We're gonna miss her in California, but I'm sure we'll visit her very often.